Finally, government approved the establishment of NRA, which will conduct the common eligibility test. NRA is the National Recruitment Agency and it is going to conduct a screening test for various recruitments, which is at present done by several agencies or boards. Now I will explain you point-wise what is going to be the common eligibility test. Point number 1. Common eligibility test CET is to screen the candidates at the first level of IBPS, RRB and SSC. Point number 2. Common eligibility test is for graduates 12th passed and 10th passed who are applying for various categories of jobs in different organizations like railway, banks or other government jobs. Point number 3. NRA will conduct CET, that is the National Recruitment Agency will conduct the common eligibility test. Point number 4. The common eligibility test will be a screening test to shortlist candidates for further levels of recruitment. Point number 5. CET will be conducted for the non-technical jobs presently conducted by Staff Selection Commission, Railway Recruitment Board and Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. Point number 6. The examination centers will be in every district. Now, people will be able to write examination in their own district. They do not have to travel long distances to write the examination. Point number 7. CET will be conducted after every 2 years. The CET examination will be held after every 2 years. Means once in every 2 years, this examination will be conducted by NRA. Point number 8. There shall be no restrictions on the number of attempts till upper age limit. Here I would like to specify the upper age limit is not yet decided. Point number 9. Relaxation in the upper age limit, whatever will be fixed, shall be given to SC, ST, OBC and other eligible categories as decided by the government. So, in case the upper age limit will be fixed, these categories will get the usual upper age relaxation. Point number 10. Based on the CET score level, final selection shall be done for the jobs through Tier 2, Tier 3 examinations by the respective recruitment agencies. Point number 11. CET, that is the common eligibility test, will be conducted in number of languages, that is multiple languages, because this is going to be one examination throughout the country. So that will be conducted in different languages so that all the people in the country can write the examination. Point number 12. Initially the score of common eligibility test conducted by National Recruitment Agency will be used by 3 recruitment agencies, that is Staff Selection Commission, Railway Recruitment Board and Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. Point number 13. Over a period of time, the score of CET may be used by other recruitment agencies. This may happen in the near future. After some time, other recruitment agencies may also start using the score of CET for their jobs, for their recruitments. Point number 14. The National Recruitment Agency is going to start working from 2021. That is, the common eligibility test will start from 2021. Point number 15. The score of common eligibility test will be valid for a period of 3 years. That is, the score of the examination once you have given can be used for 3 years. Government has already sanctioned a sum of 1517 crores for the establishment and functioning of NRA. So, dear friends, in the near future, over the period of time, so many things are going to be clear. The curriculum, the conduction of the test, the upper age limit, the number of attempts, and many things is going to be declared by the government.